And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show the span tag. It's used to mark text, or you can mark parts of it. So it's usually used to style certain elements, certain sections, or just a single word in your document. If you just use it like this, nothing's going to happen. But you can style it in various ways. Let me just directly style it right here. Inline, so I use style, property of color, and I make it, let's say, red. And if I refresh it, this part is now turned red. When it is used, it's most often used with a class. So let me just define a class, red text, and now I style it in the head. So use the class selector, red text, but let me refresh the website so that you can see that now the red color is gone, as I've gotten rid of it in the inline style. And now I add it right here for the class selector, so color red. And now this span element with the class red text is used multiple times on your website. For example, right here for style as well. So here this word style is now also red. And this is already all there is to know about the span element in HTML. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.